Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Galatians 6:9. Warmest welcome back again, family, to the Lovista channel. I am super grateful to have you here today. As you can see on your screens, I'll share with you this simple recipe that no libi, no laba. It is so easy to make, and at the end of this video I promise you that you'll be able to make this bread, and it's going to be one of your favorite bread recipes ever. So stay tuned and let's do this together. This bread requires very few ingredients. I have 800 grams of all-purpose flour. I have a half tablespoonful of salt, teaspoonful of nutmeg, and I also have a tablespoonful of sugar and my yeast and warm water. That is all that you need for this recipe. So let's just get started. This recipe, I love to activate my yeast first, so I go in with sugar, my yeast and my warm water, and I allow it to sit on the counter for 5 minutes, and once it forms a foamy substance, then I know that my yeast has been activated and it's ready to be added with my dry ingredients. In this case, I do have the sugar and the salt in the similar bowls, so you really have to be very careful that you do not use the salt instead of the sugar, because once you use the salt, trust me, your yeast is not going to be activated at all. So please take note of that. Okay, so once I mix everything up, I'm going to leave it and go ahead and mix up my dried ingredients, which is here my salt, flour and nutmeg. It's been formed. I just go ahead to mold it into a ball form, and look how easy it is. It does not stick in my hands. It is very easy for me to mold it into a ball form. This is one of the recipes that does not need too much of kneading, too much of extra work. That is why I say this bread recipe is suitable for everyone. You do not need any form of hard work, no machine needed, just simple as it is. So I spread a little bit of sunflower oil and I cover it with a cling film, and then just allow it to sit on the counter for 40 minutes before it double rises, and then I will take it from there. Such a simple recipe, family. Simple means that there's going to be a lot of air in. So what I'm doing here is I'm using my hands to take out all the air that is in my dough. Okay, so once that is done, I just roll it like so. I will divide it into 3 parts and then mold it into the bread form that I prefer. Mind you, you can mold it into any form that you prefer. This is how I like mine. So as demonstrated on your screens, that is exactly how I like it to be. Very simple. Also, a bonus to you family, if you have an iron cast pot, it is not only for cooking, but you can actually use to bake things with it. So yes, just love it when you can use one stone to kill different types of breads. Yes, so while I was molding my bread, this iron cast pot was in my oven and it has been preheated for about 10 minutes. It is really very important for you to sprinkle a little bit of flour at the bottom of your pot so that it will be very easy for me to transfer my bread from my pot once it's done. And if you do not have any flour left, please use some oil and smear it at the bottom of your pan to give my bread a very nice finishing by cutting off. You just cut it the way you prefer, okay? No rules to this, just cut it the way you want it and spread a little bit of flour on it. This is going to make my bread look beautiful. Now bring your porridge, bring your tea, bring all sort of beverages and let's enjoy this bread because it's such a good looking bread and it's really very simple family. Please do well to tag me on Instagram once you try this bread recipe. It is so simple family, you can make it. Your hands are blessed and this is going to be one of your favorite bread to make. Trust me family, it is so delicious and it smells even more amazing. Honest, because of the texture and everything, I don't even use the knife for this bread. All I use is my hand. Like look, tiny now watching. It is so delicious family, I cannot stretch it. It's so delicious. Hot like this with your butter in it is just heaven. All I want is my Hausa cocoa right now and I'm good to go for the entire day. So there you have it family. My name is Lovia from Lovey Starch. My main goal here is to cheer you up in preparing your own delicious meals right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please join the family by subscribing for more videos like this. Until then, thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful and a blessed day. Just know that you're beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video family.